Hey guys, when fixing your phone, you want to make sure you have a screwdriver set, one like this. You can purchase this at Advanced Auto, or you can get it on eBay, really cheap, most cases under $6. I think I paid like $3.99 at Advanced Auto. This is what it looks like. It's called Toolworks. It's a 33-piece set from T4, and it goes on up. And I suggest ordering the kit off of eBay, your screen off eBay, that comes with these little screwdrivers as well, just as a backup. And you can fix your cracked screen. Simple as that. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, WangerTime89 here. This is my phone. I don't know if you can see it, but the screen is cracked. Luckily, it still has the color, so therefore it should be repairable. I purchased a new screen off eBay, brand new, for $60, and that came with the tools and everything that I should need, hopefully. And I'm going to attempt to repair it myself. And what you first do is pull this out here. Your volume control. This is for the Droid Maxx. Volume control, you put your finger in there. Hopefully you have fingernails better than me. Here we go. And this is, I guess, the SIM card, which I never knew the SIM card was there. Okay, so the next part is, I tried using the plastic crap that they gave and it just snapped. So I got a very thin flathead driver, and you start out right where you took the SIM card out. I kind of butchered mine up a little bit here because I was pressing too hard. But you wedge it in between there, and you slowly turn, and you just keep doing that as you go up through, and you'll hear some pops going on. And pretty much just like this, you slide up, turn, slide, turn, and pop it off. But you don't want to do it at the bottom. You want to go to about like right here and stop. So don't go and do that the whole way to the bottom. Just from here. Alright guys, so why you don't pry down at the bottom is because when you get all the sides pried open like this and the top, you want to start from the top, put your fingers here and pull up. Just kind of wiggle back and forth and pull up, because it slides out. And you see that little lip there? If you would pry it, you would snap that bottom there, and you don't want to do that. So, alright guys, so you want to use the T5 Torx screwdriver, and you do not want to use the wrong one because you can shred out the screw, and that would not be good. So, what I like to do is, you remove these 4 screws that are down at the bottom, and to know which one exactly you use as a screwdriver, slowly put it in there on the screw, and you should be able to kind of turn it like I am now, and it shouldn't go anywhere. If it's the wrong size, just lightly press, it would turn and not lock in. So, let's remove these 4. Alright, so we just simply slide this out, pull this out here, where we just took the 4 screws from. The screw at the camera, which is right here, is very small, and so that is going to be T4 Torx screwdriver.
And I'm going to set this one separately, aside, that way I know it's the one for the camera. So we're going to put that one off somewhere else. Alright, now we'll go back to the T5 for the rest. Alright, here we go.
Oh, this thing is so much nicer. Alright, now we're going to take the flathead, and we're just going to lightly pry this off. So you gotta get it out of these slots right here. And then on the other side, there's a slot that's stuck in there. Alright, and we use the T5 for the 2 screws on the motherboard, right here, and right here. Again, you want to have a place, I used different cups to keep these screws because they're very small and you probably don't want to lose any. Alright, so now you want to gently pry the motherboard out of the frame, and very gently do this because you do not want to crack it. So I found what works best at the top corner, and the smallest flathead you can find, I mean the thinnest, would be the best for using this application. Slowly pry it up in the corner a little bit, and then right in between, right in here, there's a nice little gap. Slowly pry that up, and I mean slow. You can hear some glue and just the seal coming up. There we go. Okay, now don't rip this off when you're doing this because as you can see, it's connected right here. So when you do this, just slowly, just simply pry it up. We're going to disconnect that in a little bit here. Alright, so in the corner here, we're just going to simply go like this and press down. It slid right out there. Okay, and this is how it's going to look. So it's coming from right here, and all that is a nice sticky tape. So you can pull that off and save it if you want to put it back on. Okay, there we go. And now we got the screen off. The nice broken screen. And here is my new screen. And put it all back together, and hopefully it works. And you know what? First, let's connect it. This part might be a little tricky to get it connected in there. Alright, first let's see how, okay. Okay, so that was the best way to do it. You just, well, you guys saw. You press down and you kind of pull it towards you a little bit, and it slide it in. I think it's in the whole way. Oh, wow. Okay, the screen's coming on. Okay, so I guess that's in. Alright, here we go. So let's start with putting the 2 motherboard screws back in. Oh, alright, we got it in now. I didn't have it in the whole way. Probably something on the side here. Okay, so yeah, you want to make sure you have it down the whole way. Alright, the camera for the front is right here. I am putting the camera screw back in first. Alright, now we put the other 5 back in, or other 4. Alright, next we put the bottom on. Alright, make sure everything's lined up good. We don't want to have anything uneven. Alright, one thing to remember is you want to take off your power button from your old crack screen. You just kind of wiggle it out, and you can line it up. You might not pick up on my camera, but there's a little slot that can show you which way the button goes. So we're going to put it in. Alright, so pressed it back and forth to snap it on. Alright guys, so here it is. Screen's working. Let's see if it brings up my stuff. I put the SIM card back in, so hopefully I put it in right. We'll find out. Searching for service, 4G. Alright, let me enter my password. Alright, so the volume button works. Power button works. And yeah, it's working. All my stuff's on here. So at least so far everything seems good. And my screen's fixed. So for $61, and that included the screwdriver kit, which did come in handy. The T4 screwdriver came in handy because for some reason my T4 for this didn't work. But the T5s shredded the thing out, so this came in handy for that. So I'd order the kit with this screwdriver, but also have this set up on hand.